Okay guys, here we go again with a brand new video, and most of my quotes here are from my dual partner, my best dual partner, Blizzard Scorp. You should go follow him on fucking YouTube. He's the best player out there. You're gonna clap him every fucking day. Okay guys, here, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.
Time I looked into their eyes, villages would cheer my way. For a hero I was, that's what they'd say. One minute we had it all, next our world began to fall away from all that it had once become. They all cried for my help, but I stood there numb. I gazed off into the boundless skyline. No rock was laying in the sunshine. Turn around, pick up my sword and wield the blade that once forced evil mobs to yield, and hope one day that this chaos and destruction turns for the best. Ever a bow in hand, that was when I ruled the land. Down the doors and boxed us in, arrows whizzing by like streaks of light. I tried all that I could to stay behind. On the underground street, families broken at my feet, life itself suspended by a thread. Why was it that I wasn't dead? I gaze off into the boundless skyline. No barbed wires playing in the sunshine. Turn around, pick up my sword and wield the blade that once forced evil mobs to yield. If this battle should make me slain, I know Herobrine will call my name. Better to take a stand. That was when I ruled the land. I gaze off into the boundless skyline. No barbed wires playing in the sunshine. Turn around, pick up my sword and wield the blade that once forced evil mobs to yield. If this battle should leave me slain, I know Herobrine will call my
Okay guys, sorry for the ear rape, but here, as you may see, most of my clips were me of clapping Blizzard Scorp, like literally no scoping him all the time. But have a great day, come back later, like and subscribe.